In today's episode, we visit Sherman Oaks, where a real estate investor completed a 14-unit multifamily project with clean, modern finishes and attractive curb appeal, at least at first. About a year in, large vertical cracks started appearing in the stucco facade. Aesthetic issues quickly turned structural when moisture seeped in behind the cladding, causing swelling, mold, and rotting of framing members beneath the surface. The builder offered patchwork repairs that failed within weeks. The owner contracted AMPR after a tenant threatened legal action for mold exposure. Our team coordinated destructive testing, linked the problem to poor stucco installation methods, and pursued coverage through the wrap insurance policy that had been sitting idle. Within 10 months, the owner secured a $1.7 million recovery and had all affected areas professionally remediated. If cracks are showing and your builder's pointing fingers, call AMPR Consulting or visit amprconsulting.com. We help you fix the building and the blame game.